I'm Andre, and from H-King we have the Galloping Ghost. Look at that. It's a P-51 Reno racer inspired aircraft, and it's a Bellylander, something we've been wanting for a long time. No flaps, no landing gear, nothing crazy, just a simple 4-channel 4S aircraft. I'm running a 4S 2240C Zippy compact in there. CG is about 65 millimeters. You can see those dots. And this aircraft does come with an optional higher KV motor. This will be the stock flight for now, so it's beautiful. Enough talking, let's go flying.
Throttle cut on.
5 minutes, medium rates. All right. There you go, battery on. .4S. Check my CG one more time. That feels good. So my rates are 80% with 30% expo. That's my mediums. I think that's gonna help. And I'll be watching the torque roll on takeoff, which is a given with any kind of aircraft like this, any kind of Bellylander hand tossed aircraft. So the wind is going that way. So that's perfect. We'll come around, do some orbits, do a couple quick flights with this thing, and then throw some onboards and have some fun. I really do like a good solid Bellylander, and I'll be doing an underhand toss probably at about I would say a good 80% throttle and everything. So a rudder, but I don't think I'll be using this. Might even switch to my high rates just to be sure on takeoff. So let's see how it feels on the torque.
Throttle cut off.
It's a really good underhand toss, and off she goes. All right. Oh, that took off with some authority. Wow. That was amazing. Don't need my 100% throws. That is a really nice responsive. Actually, I am gonna stick with 100% rates. Feels nice. Definitely could do with some down elevator trim. So I'm gonna move that CG back, or I'm gonna trim it out. Oh, wow. My heart rate is jumping. That was amazing. All right, let's see if we can get some passes in here. I'm having to hold the elevator down. Oh, yeah. I'm already liking this bad boy. Ah, Galloping Ghost for the win. I'll see if I can get her down low and do some passes. I don't know if you can see from the other camera, but I'm shaking. I'm having a good adrenaline rush here. Oh. Not even pulling a lot of power. Mindful of my surroundings. I don't really fly in this contained spot, but this was working for me. Okay, I gotta adjust that prop, but watch out, bird. I got my timer set, and I think right now I'm in my high rates. So, but the only thing I'll do on landing is I'll probably dial the elevator down just a touch. I am trying to get her down to me, but it's a new aircraft to me, and I'm having some fun in this space for sure. Watching all those trees. Here she comes. Nice. Ah, really smooth. It'll be interesting on landing to see how I can slow it down, but it does feel like it slows pretty good. And I'm starting to do a little bit more coordinated turn with it already. As I get used to it. Oh yeah. Oh, this is great. And it's light. Like I said, I got my timer. I didn't put my battery checker into my pocket, unfortunately. So that means I will be guessing. So let's see if I can bring it in. That's under power. No power. So And you can see how far it darts up on power on an up elevator. So I'm gonna just trim up the elevator. We're gonna come in this way, through this pocket over here, over top of these trees, just tickling the throttle and just giving it some down. First landing. Ha 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 ha. One thing I will say is make sure you throttle off on landing, because it is a Bellylander, so you don't want that prop spinning away, because obviously the prop will take the hit. But so far, so good. The hands are shaking.
Throttle cut off. Throttle cut on.
All right. No carnage, no damage. That solid plate on the bottom of the belly is perfect, and no issues with the prop. Oh, that was such a nice, smooth flight. I'm gonna throw the camera on, throw in a second battery, and we're gonna go. The only adjustment I'll make on my radio right now is just to dial in a little bit of down elevator. Oh, the nerves. You gotta like that when a plane gets to you. I love flying like the EFXs and stuff, so this is going to be a very happy addition to the fleet. It's got a really nice presence in the sky and everything. Again, the H-King Galloping Ghost is quickly going to become a favorite, I believe. So a really good positive pull and elevator right away.
Throttle cut off.
Nice plane. Oh my. I'm just gonna enjoy some flying. Just a little forest here from there, Russo. Wow. I'm having so much fun, I'm not talking, but that's all right, that's allowed. Gotta have fun once in a while, gotta remember just to soak it in and really enjoy some of these airplanes. This is a really good airplane. Cool. Well, I got company in the sky, some really big birds. All right, again, I'm gonna be bringing it in through the gap here. Watching my weight and my CG. Oh, too high. Fine with the camera on board, it's a little happy, but I'm not gonna fight it too much. And landing, that approach was terrible. Gonna drive it in. Feel what the wind is doing. Always keeping your head on a swivel. Now, got a nice little bit of rudder in there. No power, easy glide. Probably could have come in a little smoother. I find though I do bleed off a little bit of power a little too aggressively, so you start losing, your elevator gets a little fluffy. That's a good word, fluffy elevator, but wow. All right, one more good toss. And you'll see, I'll take my camera, I'll move it back. And you can see where I'm putting the battery as well. It's not too aggressive, it's not too far forward, it's almost in line just to pass that. And that'll change. The only thing, like I said, I'm finding is I'm feeling out the, the elevator. All right, last battery. Okay. Battery there, just a little bit forward. I can feel the black. You can feel the heat on the black. It's a warm, kind of warm day. The winds are intermediate, which is nice. There you go, battery in. All right. Camera at the back. One more amazing flight out of this aircraft. Oh no!
Throttle cut off.
Canopy came off. Oh, killed the prop. Hey, it's Andre, and this is the H-King Galloping Ghost. Unfortunately, I killed that prop on the last throw and don't have a spare one to keep flying. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned, I'll clean it all up, get it all dialed in, figure out what I want to do with it, and then I'm going to put that hot motor in and have a really good time blasting around these trees and everything. But what a fun airplane. So simple, 4-channel, no landing gear, just a really good tossing aircraft. Just got to make sure you get those power throws in there nice and clean, and it will take off and reward you with some really superb flying. 4S 2200s, 8x6 prop, 2 motor options. What else could you ask for? I'm Andre, H-King Galloping Ghost. Thanks for watching.